Hello everyone, I am Maria Sushmayas, Assistant Professor from Department of EEE ATMECE. I welcome you all to the demonstration session of experiments in the lab Power System Analysis 2 and the code is 21EE62. Today we will analyze the experiment titled Formation of Symmetric Pi or T Configuration for Verification of AD minus BC equal to 1, Determination of Efficiency and Regulation. And this is the question. Given any two of the input-output parameters, given either VSIS or VRIR of a two-port medium and long transmission line network, determine the following: efficiency and regulation. And this is the given data: length, Z, Y, voltage of sending end or receiving end, current of sending end or receiving end. Aim of the experiment is to calculate efficiency and voltage regulation for a given power system network. The package used is Octave. Here comes the steps of analysis. Analyze the given data. Analyze the type of transmission line, whether it is medium or long, considering the length. Find the ABCD parameters and display the values. Solve the case for VSIS or VRIR and display the values. Calculate efficiency and regulation and display the final values. For this, we'll be using two switching statements. One is to identify the type of transmission line, and next is to compute VSIS or VRIR. So let us analyze the logic of program. First, we have to declare the given data, the input variables. So first, we have to identify the given data and write the given data. Then we are going with the first switching statement to choose the type of transmission line, one for medium and two for long. So this is case 1, which is giving the detailed equation for ABCD parameters of medium transmission line. Next we have case 2. Case 2 is dedicated for long transmission line. Here we have the list of equation for calculating ABCD parameters of long transmission line. And finally we have the display values, the display equations for displaying the ABCD parameters, and ultimately verifying the equation AD minus BC equal to 1. The second switching statement we are using here, this is to read VRIR, compute VSIS with the option 1, and for option 2 it is VSIS we are reading and VRIR we are trying to compute. So this is the set of equation. We have the given data, VRIR is considered as given data. We are calculating VS and IS. The calculated values are displayed using the fprintf statements. Then we have case 2. Here we have to read VSIS and compute VRIR. So we are having the given data VSIS and we are finding VRIR. The calculated values are to be displayed, so we are using fprintf statements for displaying the values. Next we have the receiving end power equation and sending end power equation. Then we have the equations for calculating efficiency and regulation. Efficiency and regulation, you can just check. So ultimately we have the fprintf statements for displaying the results of sending end power, receiving end power, efficiency as well as regulation. So this is the expected output. So case 1, medium transmission line, displaying of ABCD parameters. Under this we are choosing option 1, read VRIR, compute VSIS, and the expected result is this: efficiency is 91.51, voltage regulation is 16.82. Again we are going with case 1, the same medium transmission line, and here we are going with option 2 to read VSIS and compute VRIR. For this case, the efficiency is 88.97%, voltage regulation is 22.25%. And now we are going with second option, that is choosing long transmission line, and here comes the ABCD values. Here we'll choose option 1 to read VRIR, compute VSIS. The expected result is efficiency 85.15%, regulation 37.75%. Again we are choosing long transmission line by choosing the option 2, And here we are giving option 2 to read VSIS and compute VRIR. Efficiency is 74.5%, voltage regulation is 70.75%. Now let us run the experiment and check the result. So for this we have to open up the Octave software. Go to File, go to New, click on New Script. Here comes the editor window. Here we are supposed to type the program. I have the program here. I'm just going to copy and paste it to demonstrate how we can just analyze the output. So I have the program in the editor window. Now I have to save this. So we have to create a path. I'm choosing the drive. So here I have already created a folder, PSA2 lab. I'll be choosing this folder and I'll be giving a file name as problem1 or P1. So no space should be given while saving the file. Click on save. Then here we have the option to run this program. Click on run. Now click on add directory to load the path. Then move to editor window and check for the results. So here we have the option enter 1 for medium transmission line and 2 for long transmission line. So let us type 1 and press enter. I have the ABCD parameters displayed here. Now again I have one more option, enter 1 to read VRIR and compute VSIS, or 2 to read VSIS and compute VRIR. I will go with option 1. So I'll just type option 1 here. And you can just find the expected result. Receiving end power is 40 kVA, sending end power is 43.67 kVA, efficiency is 91.59%, voltage regulation is 16.82%. So likewise, we can give the multiple options here according to the instructions written and check the results for various cases as displayed in my PPT. Thank you.